Hello everybody, Kabir this side, and today I'm going to talk about there's a lot of confusion regarding which certification should you give if you are an ABAP consultant. The answer is very simple. So today it's all about the ABAP Cloud certification, which is a modern milestone. So to figure out which is the certification that you need to aspire for if you are an ABAP consultant and looking forward to which certification best suits you, so just go to the certification finder and just type in ABAP here. So once you type in ABAP here, if you see, it will provide you all the list of certifications. Now let's talk an example of this particular certification, which talks about programming in SAP S/4HANA. Now if you see the certification and if you scroll down, example, this is a retired certification. So you understand that this certification is no longer valid. Now if you take any other certification, example, if you go here, so let's take for the example ABAP for SAP HANA, which was once a very popular certification, and if you again search, this is also a retired certification. So you easily get your answer that which certification is actually valid for the ABAP consultants. It's basically the ABAP Cloud certification. So just to cross check, if you put it here, it's in the portfolio under the business technology platform, and this is the certification code. And if you see, this particular certification is the only available certification, and actually this cutting edge certification helps you to validate your expertise in some of the areas such as the ABAP RESTful application programming model, the core data services, the clean core extensibility, and the SAP BTP cloud environments. And it is really ideal for developers who wants to build the custom extensions in SAP S/4HANA Cloud, private or public editions, or SAP S/4HANA Cloud migrated to RISE, and it really demonstrates your readiness to deliver cloud native applications with efficiency and scalability. So now I think all of you would have had the answer, and there should not be any confusion that which certification that I should aspire for if I am an ABAP consultant, and what's in there for me to keep myself ready for the next level. So the answer is your ABAP Cloud certification, which is the one and only active certification which is available now. And this certification actually has 80 questions which you need to cover within 3 hours with a 65% passing score. And it basically covers the key topics as I was telling about, such as the core ABAP programming, SQL language, CDS and data modeling, RESTful application programming, and the OData services, your object-oriented OOPS-oriented programming, and clean core extensibility. And the best part is, as you all are Zapyard enthusiasts, so we have published a free quiz, right? So yes, you heard it correct. We have published a free quiz. There are around 75 questions that you can practice. Just you need to search for the free ABAP Cloud Backend Developer Certification, and there are 75 questions for you to practice and get acquainted, and you can easily understand what kind of questions that you need to prepare for if you are setting for this exam, the ABAP Cloud Developer Certification. Thank you. That's what I wanted to talk about. So I'll conclude basically by saying that all the other ABAP certifications are retired, such as your ABAP on HANA certification or ABAP with NetApp 750. All those have been retired, and from your April 2024 onwards, this is the only certification which you need to opt for, and this has got a validity for 1 year. So post 1 year, as I have covered in my earlier small tutorials, where you need to go ahead and complete for the stay certified certification. So post 1 year, you again need to give a small assessment and you need to keep your certification valid. So that's what I want to say. So basically embrace the future and evolve your skills, stay certified, and lead with ABAP Cloud expertise. Thank you.